Hello guys. So yeah, I'm back. Karabak inabak binakbak. Huh? Okay, nandito na naman ako. Ito na yung video kung saan magra-rank ako para maabot yung level 400. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin abot. Ben, puking na ng puking. Ay, shut up. Anyways. Okay na. What? Okay. Ay, by the way, guys, nung nag-recollection kami, nanguha ako ng holy water. Yeah, so, meron akong holy water. Finally. Meron akong holy water dito sa bahay. Oh. Bakit to? Ganito. Ay. Diba? Ay, push ko na nga. Walang hiya. Ayaw mo mamatay talaga eh. Kainis. Let's keep going. Labat yun, naglag ako. Hello guys, first time ko lang maglag dito. Bakit kaya? Do. Ay? Ba't yun? Hindi ko alam. Ang galing! Ang galing nun. Maklatch niya kaya yan? Ayun, yan. Nice one. Galing niya talaga, no? Baka rich kid yarn. Let's go. Focus siya palagi sa game, guys. That's all that matters. Ay! Bigla ako nag-log, ganun. Ay, my gosh. Hanod na ulit natin siya. Yes! Ang galing. Iiba na ako ng style. Let's go this way. Yeah. Ay! Shaket naman. Gusto nyo bang gamitin ko ang ating M4 Black Gold Royal? Let's go. Puro mili na lang to palagi. Nakakainis na ha. Gusto mo atang imili din kita pabalik eh. Bukas na yun, Mili lang tayo, buong rank. Yan na yung ano natin. Why not i-try, diba? Galing, Mildan. Galing talaga. Si Idol yun, no? Impressive. Gusto niya na kasi mag-legendary. Nice, ace. Try natin ito. Teacher, teacher, tell me something that you like.
Enemy contact. Changing mag.
Hindi ko man namatay. Namatay? Napatay? Bubuk. Ay, sorry. Panalo! 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 Galing talaga. I still want to be your favorite girl. How am I away? I still wanna be your favorite boy. Ayan na. Isa na lang. Oh, kita nyo yan. Mukhang maaga tayo matatapos ngayon. Ay, meron na bang tournament ngayon? Oh no, it's bleeding. It's bleeding again. From out of the world. Let's go, 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 girl, girl, girl. Let's go, girl, 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 girl. Kung nakuha na natin yung 400, ang next goal naman natin is ipa-level 5 ako. Ay, level 5. Like, diba 4 pa lang ako. So, ipa-5 natin yan. 7 minutes pa lang naman nakalipas. Or maybe mabilisan lang to. Saglitan na lang to. Kaya niyo mag-clutch. Okay. Ay! Ayaw ko na lang. Ayaw ko na talaga. I am so mad right now. Kaya, makakalash niya kaya yan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Galing. Galing na. Nilalabas na yung galit mo din ngayon eh. Galing talaga. Kita nyo yun? Palagi nyo na lang kinaklatch. Very good. May A+ ka. Feeling ko na malapit na. Nice. Sabi ko naman sa'yo. Let's go.
Changing back.
Sayang. Pala. Wala. Nice one.
Well done.
Yan. 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 Kaya mo yan. I believe in you.
We can win this.
Nice one.
Well done.
Galing talaga. Pero wala yung YouTube channel guys ha. Ako lang. Meron. Pero kung gusto niyo pa siya makita maglaro, subscribe naman kayo. Yeah. Uy, sa likod niya.
Changing back. Cover me.
Nice. Wala, mag-400 na ako guys. Excited na ba kayo? Klaseng pangalan niya. Bata pa siguro yan.
Changing back.
Ay! Sayang. Titira ko na yung baril ko yun. Well done.
Well done.
Huli ka niyan.
We can win this.
Isa na lang. Isang panalo na lang. Kaya niyo yan. Oh, isa na lang talaga.
We can win this.
I believe in you guys. Baba, nasa baba. Galingan mo. Yun lang. Yun lang talaga. Okay lang. Isa lang yan. Whew. Okay, game.
We can win this.
Ay! Sakit naman nun. Ikutin nyo. Dali, 3 na lang. Ikutin nyo. Isa na lang. Woo! Iisa na lang. Ay, yawi. Nice! Ayan na, mukhang nag-400 na ako. Wait natin yun, galing na. The best column player in the world. Yeah. Bukas is gagamitin lang natin is melee. Magmimili lang tayo ng buong game. Tapos kinabukasan. Ay, hindi pa tayo 400. Tuloy lang. Bagal naman ito. I hate this. Gusto ko nagre-ready agad. Ang tagal. Let's go hanggang 400. Kaya ko to. We can win this. I believe it. Oh. Let's win this shitty thing now. Let's win this little shitty thing now. Okay. Pumili ako ng Lucky Charm. Ano ko si Ladybug? Lucky Charm! Ay. Oh my gosh! Gulat ako. Saan na sila? Bro? Bomba! Ay! Oh! Ano ko na nag-goosebumps ako sa pagkagulat. Awitan. Ay. Ilo. Ay! Ayaw ko na, guys. Alam ko na. Ay, ang ganda ng Lava Remix. Oo nga, ilan na kaya yung ano ko dun? Hindi ko na nakikita. I don't mind it at all. You've been thinking about looking like my bitch. We kiss, I fell under your spell. No one can deny. Let's go. Why, Mamma Mia? Here we go again. Mamma Mia. Here we go again. Sorry, tinatamad ako mag-isip ngayon. Pugsh! Ay! Ang galing naman tumama nun. Ayoko na. Pag ito talaga hindi pa nag 400 dan, maiinis na ako. Okay. Okay. Ay! Wala na talaga. Ayoko na talaga. Bye-bye. Bye-bye! I will get out of here now. Goodbye. Ang sakit talaga. Make me in the ayoko na. I am so sorry. But I don't want to play anymore. Let's play again tomorrow. Gusto ko nang manood ng pelikula. Pagod na ko maglaro sa ngayon. So kung matalo man, okay lang yan. Basta ang alam ko ay wala lang. Alam ko ay wala lang. Ay! Here we go again, mama. Hindi ko na kaya, guys. Ayoko na. Ayun o. Ay, ang lala. Never mind. Let's not do it again. Ano ba yan? Point na ng point. Let's go to the world where life is even more better than lies again, alive. Nagdurugo. Ay! Masako. Ano? Huh? Such a beautiful bride of all. I am so done with this. Susugudin ko na sila. I believe I can fly. Why? Ay! Ai. Charot. Bilisan nyo na. Ipatalo nyo na. Si ako'y tinatamad na. Babaliw yung mga kampi ko. Nice! Ay, halag guys, pumabawi. What if lang yan? Hindi mo sure. Malay mo, diba? Trust the process. Tama yan. Huli ka. Ay! Ba't ang bibilis nila bumaril? Yun, isa na lang. Okay, kaya nyo yan. I believe in you guys. Wala na bang ibang baril to? Pag yung SR mo talaga hindi nakatama, ha? Katama ko sa'yo yan. Oh my gosh! Guy, galingan niya! Gusto niya bang mabawi natin to? O ayaw niyo? Bro, hurry up. Seventeen, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Shoot. Oh, nice one! Shoot ka, well done.
Well done. Pick up the bomb.
Ito naman ito. Papakitang gilas pa. Kakainis. Okay. Okay, ito na. This is our chance. Kaya niya yan.
We can win this.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yun! Let's go! Victory pa! I wonder, 400 na kaya ako nito? Baka naman. Baka naman. Kakapagod kayo. Huwag kayo kaya maglaro, no? Charot. Si OA. Ano ba? Please, sabihin mo 400 na ako. 400 na yan. 400. Hindi pa. Last na to. Last na to, I promise. Lang, hirap naman kunin ito. Thank you, Lord. Ang tagal mag-ayos. Nakakainis. Tingin tayo na muna dito. Ito mga friends natin. Ito siya si ay bando. Rebound, ayos ka talaga, Zo. Bala na. Ipa 5 na lang natin. Ipa master 5 na lang muna natin. I just wish you were here when I need you the most. the life that you deserve, that you deserve. You like me down in the moment.
Thank you, everyone, for attending I Was 18. I have an announcement to make.
Ay, aray ko po. Ayoko na, naiinisin talaga ako. Sobra, sobra. Sobra, sobra. God, there's a river in my mind that I wish you had declined. But you never even did. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ay! Start na pala. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ang talo.
Get down! Sniper!
Ay! I hate this. I hate this. I'm so done with love. It all doesn't make any sense. I'm pointing out somewhere. Couldn't even know. It's so hard to love somebody who doesn't even know it all. It's hard to find love. It's hard to find love. It is really, really hard when you think about it now. It is really, really hard when you think about it now. Cause you think you got it all. But you think you got it all. You really have to think about it. When you put up on a show, let's get up and control. I do things you couldn't even like. You couldn't even like. You couldn't even like. I do things that you should know. Cause I might be out of control. Cause I got something better than a Viking. Ay! Ay. Ayoko na talaga. Sorry guys, di ko nagkaya. Tinatamad na ako maglaro. Literal. Hindi ako nakikipagbiruan. I want to just get out of the way. Charot. Yeah. Oh look, rings. Wow. Wow. Oh no. No. Oh no. Ang dami kong dalang singsay. Oh no. Oh no. Wala na lang yung isa. Oh no. Ano kung ano yung mahulog dito, yun yung gagamitin ko. Oh no. Paano yung dalawa? Ayoko na. Tinatamad na ako eh. Ayaw ko na talaga. Hindi ko na kayo. Ay, nanalo pa. Nanalo pa. Bakit? Ay, puchi. Ayos. Hindi ko napansin yun ah. Look at this, look at this. I don't know what to pick. Ang ganda talaga kumikilang. Eh, sorry. Okay guys, meron tayong raffle. Sarap. Ano kaya ang mahuhulog? Okay. Focus. Bakit ba kasi nanalo pa? I hate this. I hate this. Ay! Ayaw ko na guys. Kayo na bahala kung papanalo nyo. Bahala ko dyan. Sino kaya mananalo? Una siya. Abubot daw. Ha? Abubot daw kayo guys. Shut up for a minute. My mysterious. Acting so damn mysterious. Ay, alam ko na. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, cute. Alam, bak. Meron siya nito. Patuti. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. What is wrong with me? Okay. Tapos, i-style natin siya. Wait lang, guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. Perfect. Oh. Tapos, bracelet niya. Ito. Ay, defeat. Okay. Anyways. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's like, siya yung prinsesa. Ang cute. Wait na yan. Kasi ito, ganito natin. Ay. Anyways, yun lang guys. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Ooh. Okay, bye.